to do this properly, don't watch me do this. This is my first time doing this, and anyway, so there's a hinge we have on the oyster, and then there's the flat part. I'm gonna go out on the limb and say this. If you call this a brisket, here's the point, and there's the flat. You want to do this at the point. So you want to get yourself a shucking knife, not what I have. This is just a normal bread knife, butter knife, whatever. Don't do what I'm doing. What you want to do is find the hinge, put your knife in there, and use elbow grease and leverage and twist. Maybe you should wash these off before you do what I'm doing too. But I will wash them once we get this step done. So that's why I didn't wash them yet. So you can kind of feel it. Put it in there, and it did break a little bit. That's okay. You still see that? Yeah, okay. And there it popped. Now get the knife, slide it through. I'm gonna cut the muscle, the oyster off from the top, which you just did. And you got the oyster in the bottom. Now I'm putting them all in this bowl. So what I'm doing is just cutting, moving it, put it all in there. And we are saving the bottom, i.e. the bowl, to cook on and for presentation. Here's the last one. This one's massive. I've been trying a couple times on it. It has come up a little bit. Try it again. I'm trying not to cut myself. That's been my main goal today. High aspirations here at Smokeburg Barbecue for a Saturday. Don't cut yourself. I think the main problem is the hinge on this guy. It's I say welded together. He's big, so he's probably old. So it's a good, strong muscle. Okay, these can sit for about 30 minutes. Now I'm going to take each individual oyster and put it back in the shells. It's a big one. I'm going to put him back in that guy. And no, I'm not getting the right one for each. This is just picking and plucking. Nope. And now, pour a little bit of that liquid in each, if you can. There's all that amazing garlic in there and parsley. Don't want that to go to waste. Okay. Now, while the grill is getting ready, sit here and continue to look awesome. Now we have some melted butter going on. I'm making a little bit of a mess. I'll clean it up. Maybe. Okay. I missed two. How dare I? All right. Okay, those are good. And now we have some Parmesan cheese going on top of these guys too. All right, now this looks pretty good. Sorry about the rain. So to get this started, Here we go. Some easy maneuvering around here. Put this down, right there, right on top of the coals, direct heat. And close the lid. And give it about 2 minutes, and we'll check them. Looking good. And really, this is all personal preference on how well done, how not done you want your oysters. Getting some good bubbling going. Oh, looks awesome. I'm just gonna go, I think, until this cheese is melted, and we'll pull them. I have no idea where these came from. West Coast, East Coast, Gulf, Mexico. Oh. I'm assuming the Gulf of Mexico, since we do live in Louisiana. However, we do live in Northwest Louisiana, so who knows?
Playing with the rain. Just chill.
Okay, so you ready for this? No? Oh, it smells so good. Okay.
Not mine.
Okay, so I'm going to go a little more. I was hoping they'd slide out, but they're not going to do that, so I got to use a fork.
The show feels interesting. We could keep these.
You're missing out. Are you sure you want to try it?
Maybe a tiny bit.
Okay, let's take this right here. Right there. I didn't let you eat off the fork, okay? Good? Yeah? You said an oyster. What do you think? Chew and swallow. There's extra parmesan still on there. That's good. And these guys? Just put them off the side. Oop, they're leaking. Okay, we'll put these off. So we'll go and eat the rest off camera. I am very impressed. So let's go and say what we did. Struggled. Okay. So I struggled with shucking them. I did lose one. I got 12. I lost one. That was a dud. It happens. So we're only 11. So I took them out, put them in a bowl with lemon juice, garlic, and parsley, and diced parsley, minced garlic and diced parsley. Then we added we put them back in the shell after a half hour sitting in the bowl with butter and put it on top with parmesan. And then we put them on the grill, direct heat, just right underneath the shell for about, I'd say, 3 minutes max. The grill was probably about 350 degrees. I want to make sure it was super. I want to make sure it was not going to be too hot and overcook these guys. I'm very happy with how this turned out. Definitely doing this again. Hopefully the wife likes it as well. I'm sure she will. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. I lost my sous chef. I think we'll now go maybe cook her something that she'll go like. So until next time, thanks for watching. Keep barbecuing America. Cheers, everybody. I know you're going to ask. Back over here. So people are going to be like, you put it in your mouth and ran off. Did you put it in the garbage or did you swallow it? You're still chewing it?
Hmm?
What's there to chew? Just slides down your throat. Ooh. That's all. How'd it taste? Salty? No? Normally oysters are pretty salty.
I don't know.
No. I guess you wouldn't know, would you? Okay. So let's go ahead and get this, eat it up. Eat it up.
Eat it up.